Hey, what's your name?
My name is Terry Coppins.
And you're here representing this beautiful car. What is it?
Yes, this is a 1939 Delahaye 135 MS, part of the Stahl Collection of Chesterfield, Michigan.
Okay.
And we're just happy to be here.
Yeah. And so it's a very unique color. Do you know what it's called?
That I do not. It is based on the original color.
Yeah.
Along with the interior. It was restored. At one point, they had painted it almost to a tealy green color, and then in 2012, it was restored back to its original colors.
It's stunning out here. I was looking at it earlier and shot some video, but once the light hits it, it's just spectacular.
It is a beautiful car.
So tell us about the Stahl Museum.
The Stahl Collection, we've been around since 2006 and been located in Chesterfield since 2011. And there's about 100 cars on the floor. There's a total of about 220 in the collection. Yeah. We do rotate them in and out. And we also have automated musical instruments from 1800s to 1940s.
And you have a lot of examples like this?
Yes, we've got cars ranging from late 1800s to mid 60s. A big focus on pre-war brass era cars, but we go from everyday drivers to one-offs like this.
Well, it's great that you guys bring them out and they don't just sit in the museum all the time.
Correct. We love to drive them. We love to get people in the collection. We don't charge to come in.
Really?
It's free of charge. We want people to have no excuse that they can come in and see it.
And this interior is very unique.
Mm-hmm.
All the Delahayes have such great instrumentation and presentation.
Yes. Yes, it's almost watch-like. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Well, thanks for your time, and thanks for bringing this out.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy the day.
Yep.